Kalakwatsera, Kalakwatsero. Yes, we are now here in Croatia. After 5 days, we're going to Slovenia. Mag-i-stop over tayo. Come and join us. Yeah, tama kayo. Magpapass by tayo. Actually, we're on the way back home already, but we are passing Slovenia, Italy. Marami pang bansa tayong ipapass by, kaya samahan nyo kami. Ngayon, we are passing Slovenia. So, we're going to Slovenia, kaya samahan nyo kami. Slovenia. Actually, Slovenia and Slovakia before is a one country, communist country. Ngayon, nag-separate na sila, kaya isang Slovenia at saka isang Slovakia. Actually, few days back, we are in Slovakia, but now we are going to Slovenia. But at the moment, this is the highway here in Croatia. Highway in Croatia going to Slovenia and Italy. Ayan, welcome to Slovenia. Pumasok na tayo sa Slovenia, yes. So, they have toll gate. Ayan. So, we are here. Yes, Slovenia is also parang bulubundukin din pala siya. Ayan, ang Slovenia. So, this is Slovenia, guys. Look, parang Philippines lang. Parang yung mga papuntang Batangas, Laguna, diba? So, ang ganda. Ayan. At magpipiknik kami dito. Pero may isang, ang kulit-kulit na seagull. Yung bird, yung seabird. Ang kulit niya, oh. Nakikain din siya ng fish ko. Ayan, ang seabird. Ayan, ang kulit niya, sobra. Pinakain ko na nga siya. Ang kulit-kulit niya. Gusto pa rin niyang pumunta at sumalot, mag-join sa amin sa aming picnic. We're doing picnic here. This is our lunch actually. We're fast by here for lunch because later dinner will be in Italy. So from Croatia, we're going to Italy. Ayan, si Seabird. Ang kulit. Kulit niya. Magkukulitan kami ni Seabird. Ayan. Ikaw lang ba yung marunong mangulit? Oh, ayan, sinundan ko siya. Oh, biju, biju, seabird. Seagull. Oh, you see what you want? You want more food? No, 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 no. Ayan. O, diba? Kanina ako yung sinusundan mo. You're following me earlier. Ngayon naman ako nagpa-follow sa'yo. Oh, ayan. Oh, tumakbo na siya. Ayan. O, diba? Talo siya. He fly away. Fly, fly, fly. Fly away. Oh, ayun. Yan. Nagre-rest lang muna kami sandali. Look, my banchotan is also resting. And later, we are bribing again kasi. So, ayan sila. Rest, rest, rest muna. And look here, actually, the sea is beautiful. Kaya later, mag-swim ako dyan. Pupunta ako sa tubig later. Abangan nyo. Pero pag pumunta ako dyan sa tubig, naku, tiyak aahon lahat yung mga tao dyan. Pero kakain muna ako. Sarap ng pagkain ko. Halika, kain muna tayo. Picnic muna tayo. Ako naman ang kakain. Ayun sila rin. Tuno. Nagkakainan sila. Wow. Kainan din sila. Oh, diba? Kain-kain picture. But later, ligo-ligo ako. Oh, so abangan nyo ha. Yes, that's my Sophia and my Oten. Yeah, that's really beautiful view here. I think I like this, the beach here than in Croatia.
Look, she's going into the ocean on her own. It's really unbelievable. There she goes, to the rock. It's cold? It's because all the children are playing here. You go swim. There's your friend. You go down.
Ayan, nakapag daw din sa tubig si Macarena. Kaya aalis na kami. Balik na uli kami sa road. Punta na kami ng Italy. So come and join us, Calaquachero, Calaquachera. Ito ang Slovenia. Yes, this is still Slovenia. And now, we're on the way to Germany. So bye for now, Slovenia. Bye.